My friends, welcome to exercise 120 of my 200 3D CAD models in FreeCAD series. This model is symmetric on both directions and I will be using that symmetry in my advantage. However, I don't want to use this technical drawing as I always do on the background, so I will be hiding it, but I want to place that main view in the corner so we can mimic it. And let's go ahead and start working on. Want to start on XY plane, that's the top view, and here I'll be only building this corner, the corner of it, and the upper right corner, which is will be a rectangle obviously, and this length on this side is half of 60, so that's 30, and the length of the rectangle would be half of 100, so that's 50. Right, and there will be a corner, a rounded corner. So let's go ahead and use the constraint preserving sketch fillet, and that would be radius of 10. Okay, I see there are 8 holes in 4 corners, and I'm taking those holes as through holes. So let's go ahead and take care of those holes right here. So there will be one, there will be another one, and these two will be at the same horizontal level. Both of them are radius 5. Okay, and the distance between these two centers is given as 20. Okay, so there is that. That's our first sketch. Let's say sketch base, and I will be extruding that for a length of 20 upward there. So that is our first option. Now I want to rename that first. So this is the base. I want to draw another sketch on top of it, which is 20 millimeter above the XY plane. So let's go ahead and offset it at 20 and keep it on XY plane. I will be using these corners and this hole as my references, and then keep drawing the sketch. So this will be, I'm gonna say, like this. I'll come around this way, draw it a straight vertical line and an arc using MMM as my mode changing option, and come all the way up here, draw another horizontal vertical line, and then make an arc there. So that's my sketch, the second level one obviously, and I want to make this part tangential there, and this corner would be same as I can see from the technical drawing. And then finally these 2 points would be at the same level. All right, and finally let's go ahead and make these holes. Keep going. So this would be the same, and obviously this would be the same. So there it is. That's our sketch. Let's say extrusion from our base and extrude that for 10 millimeter upward. So that's our through holes and 2 levels of sketching. Let's go ahead and make them a fusion and say that's our quarter object. And this is how it looks like. Okay, let me take this image down right now. So we don't need that anymore. Okay, now we can go ahead and mirror it against this face, which is YZ plane, as you can see from this axis cross here. So we will be XZ plane, that's where we are going to mirror it against, and then make these two a boolean operation to make it one object, and say this is half of what we need. I can mirror it again against its face, which is YZ, there, and then boolean it to fusion and make it final object. I think that's it. That's what we are looking for in the technical drawing. So this is what we were looking for in the technical drawing, and that's what we got. Using the symmetry in our advantage, it was easier. One thing I would like to note though, that this technical drawing is not sufficient. These holes, it appears they are through holes, so that's what we built here, through holes, but it could end at any point at this height, and to do that we need a cross section that goes through these holes, or at least some dotted line, hidden visible lines in here. So that's why the cross section, or like hidden lines, dashed lines, are important in technical drawing. So I will put the technical drawing in here so you can download it and see what I'm talking about. But other than that, great object. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.